If you want to see how I made this cute little fabric storage bin, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to Karma Lately. Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. It's Karma Lately. Thank you guys for stopping by today. We're going to do a fun and simple project. Now, I'm just showing you guys with this fun little fall time fabric. I'm going to show you what I did, but this is not the fabric that I used for this project. So I started with this fat square, and it is a fat quarter, I believe it's called, and it is 18 inches wide and 22 inches long. So folded in half, as it is right now, it is 18 inches wide and 11 inches. Since I folded it in half, instead of the 22, it's 11 inches long. So I have this coaster lying around, and since it's a perfect square, I decided to fold my fat quarter and take this coaster and put it right on the corner. And then with my rotary, I cut a perfect square. And so this is exactly what I did to this fabric. This is my fabric, I believe it was called Amalfi. And I am obsessed with these patterns. And yeah, so I got a perfect square right there. I actually, and that's how I did get a T on my fabric. And that's how easy it is. So you just fold your fabric 2 times and you have it. And now I used this. This fabric is very interesting because I had ordered it from Wish and they said it was doll fabric. And then now when I got it, I realized that it's more, one side is like a felt kind of side. And then when you flip it over, the other side is like, I don't know, it's like ribbed. And as you can see, and it's very unlike felt. So I was a little disappointed with it for the purpose of what I was trying to do for it, but it was perfect for this project. I love the idea of having the felt on the inner lining of the storage bin. I also am happy, even though the fabric that I ordered, I got 4 different colors, each a yard each, and it didn't work out for what I was trying to do. It does work out for me creating more tutorials for you guys. So let's get right into this. I'm gonna use this pattern with the brown on the inside. So the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna fold one of these sides, and I'm gonna just be sewing as I go. And so we're gonna fold this side, and then I'm just gonna do a straight stitch. I'm gonna leave about 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to sew right down, and that's it. And I'm going to go ahead and do that for each corner. I'm going to join the pretty sides facing together. And then I'm going to stitch. So I'm going to do that one by one for all of the corners. And I'll be right back. And for most of you who already know the basics, it's your length, your width, you can change. I left it at 0, but you can change it, and you can also change the speed. And these are things that you should be thinking about and deciding before you get started on the project. If you want to see more videos about this more specifically, I have them in my playlist. So I'm back from the machine, and I did just as I said. I connected the corners This is what it looks like on the wrong side. And now when we turn it, this is what it looks like on the right side. And now we're going to put this off to the side, and we're going to do the exact same thing with this one, making a decision about which one you want to, which side you want to be on the inside. And since I want the felt side, the fuzzy side, I am going to go ahead and do the same thing I did with the fabric, with the other fabric piece. And I'm just going to sew on this side and then join these two, both of the fuzzy sides facing each other. And I'm going to sew this side and go all the way around and do all four sides. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and now I have this square, and since the inside is what I want to be felt, I want the inside to be of felt, so I am not going to turn it inside out. I'm going to leave the felt right on the inside. I'm going to leave this out. Now, I didn't have any interfacing. I could have used some more felt to make interfacing, but I decided not to. You should use interfacing just for the purpose of this video and to show you how to do it simply. I decided not to do interfacing, but this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to just join all of the corners that need to be joined. So now I've secured all four corners, and I just wanted to show you guys, you can make this a little like tote bag if you want to put handles, or whatever you decide you want to make it. Now, I don't know, I do feel like I want to make it a little more sturdy, so I think I'm going to take a piece of cardstock and I'm going to measure So I noticed that because the height of my bin is a little short, I'm going to be folding it, the top part, twice, and that's going to take off some height. So it's 1 and 2. And I'm going to go ahead and press that down with the iron. Iron it down. These kinds of sewing projects are simple, but in order for you to get everything nice and precisely, having the iron around and some clips or pins is the best way to go. You want to make sure it's folded nice and tight. I did 2 folds, and now, and it's about 1/2 inch wide. And I'm making sure that I'm sewing on the bottom part of this hem, not on the edge at the top here, but instead at the bottom of the hem, as close to the bottom as I can. Because I'm filming with one hand and sewing with the other hand, I'm not going to be able to film the whole process, but this is what I got. So here is bin, and you can make this bin whatever size you want. Now, because I don't have these sections, they don't have a lining or interfacing. I should have used canvas actually. I've used canvas in the past in replacement of interfacing, but what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to sew these just a little bit of the corner like this and like this to just kind of give it, so I'm just going to take it under the machine and just go sew right there, sew right there, just pinch it and sew. So here it is. Since I, like I said, did not have interfacing to make these sides a lot more sturdy, I decided to just pin the corners and sew right down here. And I just sewed about 1/2 inch down on every side. This side could use a little more, but just sewing it down helped to give it a lot more sturdiness. And I think that the little piece of cardstock also is helping and giving it its form. And now you have a nice little basket, storage bin, whatever you want to call it. And you can put a couple of your immediate sewing items that you're going to use for the moment. And there's still room for more stuff. If you wanted to put more things in there. And I think it's really cute. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was a simple project. Not a lot of material is needed, not a lot of instructions. You don't even need a pattern. And so hopefully you guys try it, send it back to me, do it with interfacing so I can see how beautiful and sturdy it looks. But tucking the corners helped me out a great deal. If you do like this tutorial, please like and comment and subscribe. Everything that you do on my page helps me with the algorithm and helps me to improve my chances of getting more subscribers, which in turn will help me to keep making more free videos for you guys. I'm starting to consider whether or not I have to start doing some paid course tutorials instead of putting everything out on YouTube, just because I need to have my channel monetized, and that's just not happening soon enough. So hopefully you guys can help me out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.